In a world driven by technological advancements, Apple has yet again redefined the limits of innovation with the introduction of the Apple Vision Pro. This remarkable device combines cutting-edge hardware and intelligent software, revolutionizing the way we perceive and interact with the world. With its augmented reality (AR) capabilities and a new addition of virtual reality (VR) features, the Apple Vision Pro promises to be a game-changer. The Apple Vision Pro harnesses the power of computer vision to provide users with an unparalleled AR experience. By seamlessly merging digital information with the real world, it offers a truly immersive environment for a range of activities. Whether it's exploring virtual landscapes, attending interactive virtual meetings, or enjoying virtual gaming experiences, the Apple Vision Pro opens up a world of possibilities. Now, with the introduction of VR features, the Apple Vision Pro takes user experience to the next level. By immersing users in entirely virtual environments, it transports them to new realms and lets them engage with content like never before. From virtual tours of historical landmarks to realistic simulations for training and education, the Apple Vision Pro's VR capabilities offer endless opportunities for exploration, learning, and entertainment. Additionally, the Apple Vision Pro incorporates advanced vision-based assistive technologies. Its real-time object recognition, text-to-speech conversion, and audio descriptions provide invaluable support for individuals with visual impairments, fostering greater independence and inclusivity. The device's facial recognition system ensures secure authentication and personalization, prioritizing user privacy and data protection. The Apple Vision Pro represents a remarkable leap forward in technology, blurring the boundaries between the physical and digital worlds. With its seamless integration of AR and VR features, this device offers users an unparalleled level of immersion and interactivity. Furthermore, its vision-based assistive technologies showcase Apple's commitment to accessibility and inclusivity. As we embrace the Apple Vision Pro, we embrace a future where technology seamlessly enhances our lives, taking us on incredible journeys and enabling us to see the world through new eyes.